Hey, it's Mohsin Khan. Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings be upon you. So, today in this video tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to cash out money from Neobux, whether Neobux pays or not. This is my account. This is my very account. You can see my balance. You can see it's $4.289, right? Okay. This is my main balance, $4.289. So the main thing I'm making this video is to tell you whether Neobux pays or not. That's what you already know, but how to cash out your money. So I'm gonna click on your payment. Okay, now Neobux gives you three options: Payza, PayPal, Netla. Netla isn't available in Pakistan. PayPal isn't available in Pakistan, but Payza is available in Pakistan. So I'm a Pakistani. I'm gonna click on Payza. Alright, we're about to transfer $4.29 to your Payza account. This is my email. It asked me to confirm. We're gonna click on yes. Then okay, see, your payment has been successfully sent to your Payza account. Right, now let me open my Payza account. Okay, let me show you. This is today's date. This is today's date. 29th July 2013. Okay, I'm gonna time my now let us see. Balance $4.29. $4.29. Funds received. Do you see that? The money is sent on today's date, 29 July 2013, and today's time. This is my country's time. No fee from Neobux. Okay. So thanks for watching my